In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your coming soon page. That way someone is able to land on a page that gives them some type of information on what's to come when you do launch your website. So in order to do that, you're going to come over here to the left-hand side of the panel. Instead of the little house being next to home, we're going to put it next to coming soon. So you're going to click on coming soon. You're going to click on the three-dot drop-down menu, and you're going to select set as home page. Now, when someone enters in your main domain, this is what they will see. Now you want to come over here, make sure you edit the coming soon page however you need to, and make sure you give some information about, what someone can anticipate. And you do want to make sure you set up this button, whether it be at bare minimum email, or you can set it up to actually collect people's emails in order to notify them when your page does launch. And I'll show you how to do both. So in order to set it up just so people can email you if they have any questions, you click on the text. You can come over here underneath click actions, and you want to come over and select email and enter in your email here. Make sure you also do it for the button that's behind it. You click here, select email, and input your email here. Now what that will do is when someone clicks on it, it'll prompt whatever email configurations that's configured to their computer, whether it be Outlook or Mail with Mac. It'll automatically open it up and prompt them to send an email to your email address. So that's one way to get, set up any type of a form of communication with your visitors. Now, the other option that you have is to set up a email collection form. And we already have that included. So what we're going to do is select page in the top left-hand corner, click on coming soon, three-dot drop-down menu, and you're going to click on add new canvas. You want to come down and click on pop-up and then select add. Now what that does is add pop-up right here. Now right now the pop-up is set to a site canvas. You do not want to edit it as a site canvas, because this will edit anywhere else on the website that the pop-up does appear. And we want to make it very specific to this page. So don't click edit pop-up. Come over here, click on the drop-down menu, and then you're going to select convert to page canvas. Now we're able to edit it just specific to this page. Go ahead and edit whatever you need to do on the email form. And then make sure you also click here where it says to the subscriber confirmation. Make sure you edit this this message as well. And this is what they'll see once they actually have subscribed successfully. All right, once you do that, you do want to make sure that you change this contact Paola button. You can put get notified. And now we need to set up the button in order to display the pop-up if someone were to click it. So to set up the button, you click on the text first, come over to link, click canvas, and then you want to select this canvas. And then you want to come down to under actions, select add, show canvas, pop-up. Awesome. Now we have to do the same thing for the back. Canvas, this canvas, add, show canvas, pop-up. Awesome. All right, let's take a look and see what that would look like. Awesome. So this is what someone would see when they land on your page. And if they wanted to say get notified, there you have it. They can go ahead and enter in their information. Let's see here, test at test.com, subscribe, and then they would see that, and they can click exit. Oh, looks like the exit button isn't configured, so let's go ahead and actually do that as well. So let's click on here. Yeah, okay. So what we want to do is actions, add action, and you want to hide canvas, this canvas. Let's try that again. Go back to preview. Let me exit out of these other ones up here. All right, let's try that again. Get notified. Okay. Test.com. Excuse me, test. And this is the name, so we'll actually erase that part. Subscribe. Cool. Then they click exit. There you go. There you have it. Now it works in its full functioning. So those are two options that you have. You can either set up an email form of contact, or you can set up a way to collect subscriber emails if you wish. If you have any questions about this process, definitely head over to the Facebook support community and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can reach out to me via email at hellobwpdesignstudio.com, and I can help out that way. So I will see you guys in the next video.